The Food Service Exchange presents.
The Magic Chef 60-can party cooler helps keep everyone's favorite beverages perfectly chilled. The stainless steel party cooler is perfect for parties, backyard barbecues, and other special gatherings. An adjustable digital thermo setting keeps your beverages at the perfect temperature, ranging from 32 to 61 degrees Fahrenheit. It's freestanding with rolling casters for easy mobility, and the removable lift and fold transparent lid provides easy, one-handed accessibility. A removable interior basket provides the option of separating types of cold beverages, and there is no need for ice, which keeps your beverages drip-free. Two collapsible side tables provide ample space for your drinks, and the two external storage baskets provide extra space for napkins, cups, bottle openers, or anything else you need for the perfect gathering or quiet afternoon in the yard. With its modern style and versatility, the Magic Chef Portable Party Cooler ensures that all your favorite beverages are always cold and within reach.